wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best folding hammocks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. The Giantex Portable is very sturdy when assembled, thanks to a durable solid steel frame that can support up to 110 pounds. When collapsed, it fits easily into a medium-sized backpack. It comes with a rust-resistant powder-coated finish and a convenient carrying case. However, it is quite heavy at 19 pounds. At number 7, the stand on the Lazy Daze Double is made of heavy-gauge steel with a powder-coated finish, and all the ends are outfitted with plastic caps for safety. Since it can hold up to 450 pounds, you can have a partner relax along with you. It offers a tool-free setup and is available in various designs, but it's not equipped with spreader bars. Coming in at number 6 on our list, true to its name, the Tranquillo ssrs features a special ball-bearing joint where the hammock meets the frame to ensure smooth and noise-free rocking. The net has 2 layers for strength, and it includes stitched-in spreaders for stability. It promises a quick and easy assembly and can support up to 550 pounds. However, the frame can rust in places. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding hammocks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Republic of Durable Goods Mach 1 weighs less than 15 pounds and can be set up in under a minute without the need for ropes or trees. It's equipped with a protective sunshade and padded ends to support your head and feet comfortably. It includes a handy storage basket and a 90-day money-back guarantee, but it doesn't rock. Halfway up our list at number 4. The Vivere Double is available in breathable cotton, weather-resistant polyester, and low-maintenance umbrella. It comes with a sturdy zinc-coated stand in black or white, along with a handy storage pouch with leather stitching. This one's roomy enough for 2 adults and is good for side sleepers. It hooks on and off in seconds. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The van-made 2-person boasts a 500-pound weight capacity and is very spacious if used alone. It's made with a canvas fabric and polyester strings, so it's more durable than some cotton competitors. It includes a strong wooden spreader bar and protective rubber feet, and it's adjustable to 3 lengths. At number 2, the 4-point suspension system on the Max Sports Portable provides a cot-like arrangement, and the double attachments on each end helps to prevent it tipping. The collapsible steel frame and carrying bag make it a breeze to transport. It features a removable canopy and a handy mesh storage shelf. It assembles in minutes. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the kingcamp freestanding is eminently portable, with a frame that collapses into a small carrying case. Its aluminum alloy structure and 300 denier ripstop fabric make it both lightweight and durable. It includes a built-in pillow and handy side pockets, and no tools are required. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding hammocks, or simply click beneath this video.